Welcome to Code Cortex. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get all updates at the earliest. Today we will design an ML project that is movie recommendation system using collaborative filtering, so let's start. Following are some important points to remember before making this recommendation system. The dataset contains three main columns: user ID, movie, on, rating. Each user gives ratings to different movies, and based on this, the system recommends new movies that the user might like. Steps shown in the video. 1. First, I'll generate and upload the movie dataset, CSV file, which contains random user ratings. 2. Then I'll run the Python script in Streamlit. This creates a web app interface for our recommender system. 3. I just need to upload my CSV file and the app will automatically display the dataset preview. From the sidebar, select a user ID and choose how many recommendations you want. Finally, click Get Recommendations, and it will show the top movies predicted for that user using Cosine similarity and collaborative filtering. Technologies used: 1. Python 2, Pandas and NumPy for data handling. 3. Scikit-learn for similarity calculation. 4. Streamlit for creating the web interface checkmark to run. This project: 1. Save the Python code, e.g. app.py. 2. Keep your dataset, movies.csv, in the same folder. 3. Open terminal and run, Streamlit run app.py. 4. The app will open in your browser automatically. First, we'll create large dataset. This code is optional. You can create your own dataset manually. After this code, a sample dataset will be saved in your PC. Now the main code for recommendation system will begin.